Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're working on a 1999 ACURA NSX 3.2. She has 43,000 miles, 44,000. Customer complaint. She's not running very good. 1999. NSX. Right, that's funny right there. Let's find fuel. Misfire. Just gonna switch things around here, be easier. I'm trying to reinvent the wheel. It's not too bad on these. Disconnect. Jesus Christ. Alright. I didn't think the those are the same. They're all the same. Pretty wet. Number 4. Looks good. Switch the coils over. Let's put the coil in the right way. There. We'll switch this to this. Look at that one. That was number 6. Okay. Okay, so we put the plug here. The coil's all the way over there. You see it? Yeah, it's got my 5 in it. Okay, it's clear. Alright, let's test drive it. I can feel it pretty bad. I just don't want to break out the lap scope or anything like that. I think doing a little switcheroo would be best. What do you think? I think we got a coil. Feels like a coil. Whoa, 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 whoa. These things are super fast. Alright, the lights start flashing. The boot's still open. Shoot. Alright, let's pull over and scan it. Alright, let's see what we got for codes. Number 4 is the plug. Number 6 is the coil. $19.99. That's funny. Alright, what are we thinking? Plug or coil? Ooh, plug. You guys can see. Move to cylinder 4. And we'll get the spark plug coming. Just turn the coil like so. Just comes out of here.
Must have to have the dexterity of a surgeon and the fingers of a 4-year-old.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see anything wrong. Move everything the way it was.
He's gonna have to put some screen behind this shit.
Ay, ay, ay. I'm doing this quick. Sorry.
All day down here.
What? Brand new. There we go. Hopefully you guys are liking the videos. You want to make sure you crush that washer. Okay. Hold on. There. These sockets, man. Oh boy. New coil. Damn. Okay. Alright, guys. Alright, so it's all back together. Alright, the dongle is down here on the passenger side. That's our ACURA. See if we can get rid of this headache. 16 USA. Goes on number 4. Let's clear it. That's funny, I didn't see anything wrong on that plug. Okay. Moment of truth. Alright. I don't feel it anymore. Oh. Let's put our default code. Let's rip her. Oops, sorry guys. Thanks, Fiat. Cool, we got it. I also hear a rear, I think it's a right rear wheel bearing. I'm happy. That was good. Alright guys, that was it. Pretty easy. I hope you guys have a wonderful time working on your NSX. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe. Have a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time.